Hello sir, this is exercise 3.2, and for the first line hashtag include IOStream, we can we can use the scene and see out, and for the second line the IOManip, it is useful for formatting output that we needed, and for the third line we can use functions like pow, acos, cos, and scene, and for the fourth line we we don't use the STT before commands like the cout, and it is very efficient so that it basically makes shorter to read and easier to read. So for the fifth line, this is the main function where the program starts running. And for double alpha, beta, gamma, these variables will store the three angles of that triangle. And for the double ABC, this variable will temporarily store the angle in radians. And for the eighth line, double XY, these variables will store values used for checking with Mulvade's equation. And for the double ABC or the ninth line, these variables will store the three sides of the angle. And for the cout oblique triangle, this line prints the title oblique triangle. And for the cout case for given three sides, by cosine law, this line explains that the program solves a triangle when three sides are given using the cosine law. And for the cout input side A, this line enters the value of side A, and for the scene A, it reads the value of side A, and for the input side B, this value enter the side of B, and in scene B, it reads the value of side B, and for the input side C, it enters the value of side C, and scene C, it reads the value of side C, and for the A equals A cos, pow A2 plus pow B2 plus pow C2 divided by 2 times B times C. This line it calculates the angle A in radians using cosine law formula, and for the B, it calculates angle in radians using the cosine law formula, and still the same in C. And for the alpha equals A times 180 divided by m pi, it converts angle A from radians to degrees, just like from beta and gamma. And so for the cout alpha, it displays the value of alpha in degrees, and the beta, it displays the value in degrees too, and here in gamma. So cout checked by Mulvade's equation, this line indicates that the program will now verify the solution using Mulvade's equation. So for x equals a plus b divided by c, it calculates the left hand side of Mulvade's equation, and here in y, it calculates the right hand side of Mulvade's equation. So, and then the last line, the second to the last line, it prints both values to check if Mulvade's equation is satisfied. And here, the last one, this marks the end of the main function of the program.